Clever Fox Food Journal Pro is a large format journal for tracking your nutrition, fitness, and overall health to the smallest detail. It will help you identify good and bad habits and develop a sustainable, healthy lifestyle for the years to come. This journal measures 7 inches by 10 inches, providing lots of writing space. The soft cover is made of our special vegan leather, making it a soft but durable protective layer for the thick, no-bleed 120 GSM paper pages inside. It features 3 colored bookmarks, a back pocket, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find 6 sheets of stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. On the first day of using the journal, take a before picture, write down your current and target body measurements, and list any allergies you have and supplements you take. Then, set up to 5 nutrition, fitness, and wellness goals you want to achieve, and consider your motivation behind them. Define the action steps you need to take to reach your goals, and set a reward for achieving them. Having an action plan and a tangible reward will help you stay motivated to keep going. This journal lasts 6 whole months, giving you plenty of time to develop lasting, healthy habits and routines. Start planning by setting up a weekly exercise routine and filling out an exercise calendar to mark the days when you're planning to work out. Every month features a spacious monthly calendar. Here, you can highlight the days when you plan to meal prep, go grocery shopping, exercise, and anything else you want to remember. Set 4 monthly goals and plan activities in 6 wellness areas to ensure you continue improving. Reflect on your progress by filling out a monthly review at the end of the month. Record your current body measurements, compare them to last month's, consider the biggest wins and challenges, and plan how you will improve next month. This spread also features a habit tracker to track habits and skills you want to learn. Begin every week by creating a detailed meal plan from Monday till Sunday. Once you've planned out your menu for the week, make a shopping list to remember everything you need when grocery shopping. Use daily pages to track vital health data, nutrition, and fitness. Here, you can record your weight, body fat percentage, sleep hours, steps, and more. Use the central part of the page to note everything you eat throughout the day and calculate the nutritional values of your meals. At the bottom of the page, add any physical activities you have done and use the dot grid space for extra notes or calculations. At the back of the journal, you will also find a measurements tracker to record your body measurements every week and a results page to fill out on the last day of using the journal. Use these to track your progress towards your goal and visualize how far you've come. We hope this food journal will help you focus on your well-being, discover what's lacking, and create a long-lasting positive change in all areas of your life. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.